and some important relations algebraic on algebraic operation. If you have to prove that a minus b it is equal to a intersection b, a minus b is equal to a intersection b. So प्रूफ गर्दा जुनसुकै क्वेशनमा पनि सेट बिल्डर फर्म युज गर. a minus b is the set of x such that x belongs to a and x does not belong to a minus b. X belongs to a difference of two sets मा element नभएको केसमा there are two possibilities. If the element is not in the set A or if the element belongs to both sets A and B, then that element cannot be in the difference of set A and B. त्यहाँ फर्स्ट छ x belongs to A, यो पनि कन्डिसन हुने र यो पनि कन्डिसन हुने, both conditions. x A को एलिमेन्ट हो तर A minus B को होइन. त्यो पोसिबिलिटी तब मात्रै हुन सक्छ जब x हुन्छ दुवै सेटको एलिमेन्ट. x belongs to A and x belongs to A, x belongs to B, x belongs to both sets. x does not belong to A minus B को लागि के लेख्दैछु, x belongs to A and x belongs to B. I will make it clear with the help of example. x does not belong to A minus B मा छ भने x एलिमेन्ट हुनुपर्छ दुवै सेटको. x is not in A minus B means x belongs to A and also x belongs to B. Instead of writing 2 times x belongs to A, we can write as x belongs to A and x belongs to B. So it is the intersection of these two sets, A intersection B. अब यहाँ एउटा क्वेशन यो हुन सक्छ, x does not belong to A minus B भयो भने कसरी लेख्न मिल्छ x belongs to A and x belongs to B? You may have this question. The shaded part is of A minus B, excluding the part of B from A. This is remaining part of set A, so it is A minus B. A minus B, when you exclude the part, this is A minus B from set A, then what will remain? This part of set A will remain. If the part of set A minus B is removed from set A, then this is the remaining part of set A. So this shaded region represents A minus B and it is also A intersection B. So Venn diagram बाट के देखाएको छ A intersection B को पार्ट र A minus B को पार्ट सेम छ. So these two sets are equal. त्यो भए भेन डायग्राम बाट रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेको फर्स्ट थियो प्रूफ. एन्ड देन वी क्यान टेक एक्जाम्पल. By example also we can show these two sets are equal. Same sector represent गर्दैछ A minus B र A intersection B ले. Then what becomes A minus B? A minus B contains elements excluding the elements of B from A. So A minus B contains 1, 2, 3. A minus B. One is in the set A and also one is in A minus B. So one cannot be taken in their difference. So difference contains only the elements 4, 5, 6. A intersection B. In A intersection B, the set formed by the common elements. The common elements are in these two sets so these two sets are equal A minus B and A intersection B. अब मैले प्रूफ गर्दा त्यहाँ लेखेको थिएँ X belongs to A minus B. X does not belong to A minus B को लागि X is not in A and X is not in B. Why 4 is not taken in A minus B? What is the reason behind this? What is the reason 4 is not in A minus B? The answer is 4 belongs to A and also 4 belongs to B. The reason is four cannot be taken in A minus B as it is the element of both sets. Same reason for 5. 5 belongs to A and also 5 belongs to B. So 5 cannot be taken in A minus B. Why 7 is not taken in A minus B? What is the reason? 7 is not in A. A minus B मा नभएको दुईटा पोसिबिलिटी छ. कि त सेट ए मै नभएको हुनुपर्छ एलिमेन्ट जस्तो 7 इज नट इन ए. यदि त्यो एलिमेन्ट ए मा छ भने बी मा पनि हुनुपर्छ लाइक 4. सो ए माइनस बी मा नभएको केस के हुन सक्छ? त्यो एलिमेन्ट सेट ए मा नभएको कि त दुवै सेटमा भएको. त्यो नै अप्लाई गरेको थिए ए माइनस बी को प्रुफमा. X belongs to A कंडीशन नहीं हो. सेट बिल्डर फर्ममा लेख्दा डिफरेन्स अफ टू सेट्स को and x is not in A minus B. So how is it possible x belonging to A and also x is not in A minus B? It is possible only when x is the element of both sets. तो यो इक्जाम्पलबाट मैले त्यहाँ लेखेको x does not belong to A minus B र x belongs to A, x belongs to B. I think it will be clear. Prove that A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. In similar fashion, we can prove it. In set builder form, A minus B is the set of x such that x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. X is not in B means x is outside of B. It is the set formed by those elements of the universal set which are not in B, means it is B complement. So A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. First, A minus B. A minus B is the part of set A excluding the part of B. This is A minus B. Second, B complement means the part of the universal set out of set B excluding the part of B. So this is B complement. And the common of these two, common of B complement and set A. B complement यो डटेड पार्ट र सेट ए को पार्ट को कमन पार्ट, डटेड र लाइन भएको पार्ट. सो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कम्प्लिमेंट. सो यो पार्ट ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कम्प्लिमेंट को पार्ट र ए माइनस बी को पार्ट सेम पार्टलाई रिप्रेजेंट गर्छ. सो इन भेन डायग्राम they are verified, these sets are equal, and also with the help of example we can show these two are equal. Suppose U be the universal set containing the natural numbers less than 10. Set A contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B contains 2, 4, 6, 8. Then A minus B. A minus B is the set of those elements of A which are not in B. 1 is in A, not in B, so it is in their difference. 2 is in A, it is also in B. It belongs to both sets, so 2 cannot be taken in A minus B. 2 does not belong to A minus B as it belongs to both sets. 3 belongs to set A, not in B. 4 belongs to set A, also in set B. So 4 is not in A minus B. 5 belongs to A, not in B. So 5 is in A minus B. 6 belongs to A, also in B. So 6 cannot be taken in A minus B. So A minus B contains only 3 elements 1, 3, 5. B complement. The elements of the universal set are natural numbers less than 10. These are natural numbers less than 10, so from 1 to 9. Minus set B. One belongs to the difference of these two, as one is in the set U but not in the set B. 2 belongs to universal set, also in set B, so it is not in their complement, in the complement of B. 3 belongs to universal set, it is not in B. 5, 6 belongs to U, it is also in B, so it is not in the complement of B. 7 belongs to A, 7 belongs to U, it is not in B, so 7 belongs to U minus B. B complement has these 5 elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now take the intersection of A and B complement. A intersection B complement. What are the common elements in these two sets? 1. 1 belongs to both sets. 2 is only in A, not in B complement. 3 is in both. 5, 6 is in A, not in B complement. So A intersection B complement has these 3 elements and which are also in A minus B. So these are equal. So with the help of example also, these two sets have been shown equal. prove that A minus B complement is equal to A intersection B A minus B complement is the set of element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B complement. It is by the definition of difference of two sets. Set of X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. If the element is not in the complement, it means the element belongs to the set itself. Then it is the intersection of A and B. So A minus B complement is equal to A intersection B. Same procedure बाट Venn diagram example पनि भेरिफाई गर्न सक्छ, तर प्रुफ दैट सोधेको हो भने यतिसम्म कम्प्लिट हो. नो नीड टू शो भेन डायग्राम, बट टू टेस्ट वेदर दिस रिलेसन इज ट्रू अर नट. कुनै टेस्ट गर्नु पर्यो. यहाँ क्वेसनमै इन्डिकेट रिप्रेजेन्ट दिस इन भेन डायग्राम छ भने भेन डायग्राम बनाउनु पर्छ. If A is a subset of B, then B complement is a subset of A complement. We have to prove B complement is a subset of A complement. B complement लाई A complement को subset. जसलाई subset prove गर्नु पर्ने हो, take any element in that set. Let X be an element in set B complement. अब यहाँ सो भेरिएबल यो सेटको जुनसुकै एलिमेन्ट हुन सक्छ. X belongs to B complement implies X is not in B. By the definition of complement of a set, X is not in B, then X does not belong to A, since A is a subset of B. All the elements of A are in B. This is the condition of the question. And when the element is not in B, how can it be in A? All the elements, A को total element छ set B मा. यदि सेट बी में एलिमेंट छैन भने हाउ कैन दैट एलिमेंट बिलोंग टू सेट ए? X does not belong to A. Again, by the definition of complement, X belongs to A complement. So element is taken in B complement and that has been shown in set A complement. This procedure is possible for all the elements of B complement. It means all elements of B complement are in A complement. Therefore, by the definition of subset, B complement is a subset of A complement. तो सबसेट प्रूफ गर्नको लागि सबसेट को डिफिनिसन युज गर. सबसेट को डिफिनिसन के छ? If the elements, all the elements of one set are in another set, then the first is subset of the second. तर एलिमेंट्स दिएको छैन, त्यसकारण यसमा भेरिएबल युज गर्ने गर्छु. यो जस्तो सुकै सेट भए पनि तर कन्डिसन हुनुपर्छ ए बी को सबसेट. ए बी को सबसेट छ भने बी कम्प्लिमेन्ट इज अलवेज सबसेट अफ ए कम्प्लिमेन्ट, वाट एभर इक्जाम्पल यु आर टेकिङ. in this Venn diagram, set A is contained in the sector of set B. So A is a subset of B. त्यो condition satisfy गरेको फिगरमा we have to find B complement. B complement is the set formed by those elements of the universal set which are not in B. This is B complement, and then represent the part of A complement. In all three figures, set A is contained in B, means condition A subset B is satisfied. In second Venn diagram, B complement, in third A complement. So what we observe from second and third, all the part of B complement is covered by A complement. Means elements of B complement are in the set A complement. So set B complement is contained in set A complement. यो दुवै फिगरलाई कम्बाइन गर्यो भने डटेड पार्ट यो बाहिरको पार्ट मात्रै छ, त्यो भन्दा एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट पनि A complementले कभर गरेको छ. So from second and third, what we observe, B complement is subset of A complement. के भयो भने if A is contained in B, A B को सबसेट भयो भने त्यो भेन डायग्रामबाट रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेछु. अब इक्जाम्पल पनि लिन सकिन्छ. So in this example, A is a subset of B. All the elements of A are in B. Now find B complement. Those elements of the universal set which are not in the set B. The set B contains elements from 1 to 8. So these are the elements in B complement. Elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and elements of the universal set natural number less than 12 means from 1 to 11. So exclude the elements of set A. So what we observe, all the elements of B complement are in A complement. All the elements of B complement are in A complement. So this relation is verified. First proof, second Venn diagram, third verification. Last lecture में De Morgan's laws बताएको थिए for the union of two sets and also for the intersection of two sets. Now we will discuss about general form of De Morgan's law. What is the general form of De Morgan's law? A minus B union C, A minus B intersection A minus C. The complement of B with respect to A, the complement of C with respect to A, the complement of B union C with respect to A. त्यो युनिभर्सल सेट नै हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन. यो डिफरेन्सलाई यसरी पनि भन्न मिल्छ. B युनियन C को कम्प्लिमेन्ट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टु A, तिनीहरूको सेपरेटली कम्प्लिमेन्ट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टु सेम सेट and taking their intersection, त्यसको इक्वल. De Morgan's law मा युनिभर्सल सेट लिएको थिए. यो छ जनरल फर्म अफ De Morgan's law. त्यस्तै फर इंटरसेक्शन A minus B intersection C, first को proof A minus A minus B union C is one set or three sets. It is one set. Difference of two sets is a set of element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belong to B union C. It is by the definition of difference of two sets. Is equal to a set of element X such that X belongs to A. X is not in B union C. युनियन अफ सेट्स में एलिमेंट हुनलाई एटलिस्ट वन सेट को एलिमेंट हुनुपर्छ र नहुने केस के हुन्छ कुनै पनि सेट को नभएको केसमा मात्रै द एलिमेंट विल नॉट बी इन द युनियन अफ टू सेट्स. सो X is not in B and also X is not in C. Neither of the sets B and C contains the element X as X is not in B union C. X is in A, not in B. It means X belongs to A minus B. And also X is in A, not in C. It means X belongs to A minus C also. So it is a set of element x such that x belongs to a minus b and also x belongs to a minus c. So it is the set formed by the common elements of a minus b and a minus c. So it is the intersection of these two. This is what we have to show. It is written by the definition of difference of two sets. A minus b intersection c is a set of element x such that x belongs to a and x does not belong to b intersection c. x is not in b intersection c intersection मा नभएको कुनै पनि सेटमा एलिमेन्ट नहुँदा इन्टरसेक्सनमा हुँदैन. So we can write here x is not in b or x is not in c if at least one of the sets will not contain the element x, that will not be their common element. So if x is not in b or x is not in c, x belongs to a, x will not be in b or x will not be in c. X is in A, X is not in B or X is not in C. At least one of the sets will not contain the element C, element X. X will not be in B or X is not in C. But X belongs to A exists for both. So X belongs to A minus B or X belongs to A minus C. It means it is the union of these two sets. A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. B union C means part of B and also part of C. A minus B union C, that part of set A which is formed by, which is remaining part of set A excluding the part of B and C. So this shaded region is A minus B union C. B र C को union गर्दा हुने part, when you exclude from A, so what is the remaining part of A? The difference of two sets. So this is remaining part of set A. A minus B this part is of A minus B. A minus C From these three figures, first is A minus B union C, second A minus B, third A minus C. If we take intersection of these two, from second and third, what is the common part of these both? Dot and cross. So common part will remain this. So from second and third, this part is common for A minus B and A minus C. So this common part is shown in this figure, which is also A minus B union C. So what we observe? A minus B union C and A minus B intersection A minus C, these are representing the same part, same region, as these sets are equal. And take an example for the verification. So B union C is the set that belongs to set B, or is the set of elements that belongs to set B or set C. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A minus B union C. The part of those elements of set A which are not in B union C. One is in A, it is not in B union C. So one is the difference in the difference of these two sets. 2 is in A, not in B union C. So 2 is the element of the difference of these two. 3 is in A, also in B union C, so it cannot be taken in the difference. 4 is in A, also in B union C. 5 is in A, also in B union C. 6 is in A, also in B union C. So these cannot be taken in the difference. Only these two elements A minus B. A minus B contains the elements of A which are not in B. Similarly, A minus C contains elements of A which are not in C. So 1 belongs to A, not in C. So 1 is in A minus C. 2 belongs to A, not in C. 3 belongs to A and also in C. So it is not in A minus C. 4 belongs to A, 5 in both, but 6 is in A, not in C. So 6 is in A minus C. Take the intersection of these two. So these two sets are equal. In the similar way, we can represent the example for A minus B intersection C. It is equal to A minus B union A minus C. The process is same. आजलाई यति अर्को क्लासमा नम्बर सिस्टमको बारेमा डिस्कसन गर्छु। यो त सेट अपरेसनको केही इक्जाम्पलहरू क्वेसनहरू भइसकेछ। नम्बर सिस्टममा रियल नम्बर, नेचुरल नम्बर, इन्टिजर्स त्यसको बारेमा डिस्कसन गर्छु अर्को क्लासमा। थ्याङ्क यू।